Guys, I'm C2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking a 50mm brass padlock from kind Rick Wales on our UK Lock Sport forum. I was unsure what the brand of this lock is, and I put a post on the forum and it could be a Sterlng, but I'm unsure. The Sterlng emblem does look a lot like that, so not sure if they've changed the brand a little bit or that's a takeoff of Sterlng. Who knows? And if somebody does know, please let me know. It's a 5-pin again, I think. That's the bitting on the key. What we've got there, sort of from the last pin in the lock, is it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but just there, below sort of the bow bit there of the key, is another little cut, so it could possibly be a 6. Is the key working? So literally just got him from work, so I thought I'd do a quick video. It's got to have spool pins in this, so I'm literally going to start on pin 1, and I force that down quite a bit with medium tension, and it drops over, and it from sort of pin 1 into the back of lock 2, 3, 4, etc. and you get counter rotation excuse me, and sort of your little false sets. Let's have a go at getting it open. Now and again you can go straight from the front to the back, get it open. Now and again I've found I have to nip back onto pin 3 to fully open the lock. So tension on, and it's quite a bit of a drive down on these pins. Probably can't see that, but it has dropped over quite a bit. Counter rotation. Counter rotation again. It's open. So like I say, I'm not sure if that's a Sterlng padlock, but it's a lovely pick with quite a bit of counter rotation and false sets in it. So if you are newbies to Locksport, guys, why not come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.